Yeah, that's quite a view. It's one big cedar tree too. Very cool. Yeah, just hiking along. I stopped and changed camera batteries, but I didn't bother hydrating. Jeez. But then it's not like I'm dying of thirst or anything, so I'm just trudging along. It's actually a really nice trail. And it's not far from the house, so I think I will be back to hike this more. Because I want to get into at least get my legs back under me, my hiking legs, so I can maybe backpack like I talked about. So, oh, coming up on the water, nice. We got some views coming up, which I'll show you. That's basically what I'm walking up on. What's nice about finding new places too is I'm seeing this for the first time. So it's not like I've been here before. This is all new sights, new sceneries, new sounds, new smells. Not a lot of people. I mean, there are people camping, but oh yeah. Wow, it's only been, still a half a mile left? 0.8 is all I've gone? Huh. Alright, well, appreciate the mile marker. So I got a half mile to go. Okay. Oh man, I just love trees. I was just thinking I'd love to put a tent right here. That would be killer. Ooh, it's kind of a big gash. Heads down to the water again. I'm trying to make minimal stops because I stopped a bunch before and I want to try to keep my heart rate up while I'm walking. So, I mean, I could feel the sweat gathering on me, but I passed the picnic table on my way back. I don't know which way is the trail. Might be this way. There's no signs. Is that the way? The trees over the... Huh. Maybe this way? I guess I'll find out. Another cedar tree. Big one too. Well, if I don't do the full 2 miles, you know, whatever. At least I got out. It's not about the distance, it's about the journey, right? So I just came bombing up this hill behind me. I made it a point not to stop. Of course, now I sound like a freaking stalker. All I need now is to be on the phone with somebody. Hey, what you doing? You're not gonna get anywhere if you take the easy route every time. See, I can tell I haven't hiked in a while, or haven't been an active hiker, because before I'd get, you know, I would still breathe hard at the top, but I would recover much quicker. And now I'm not recovering quick. Of course, I haven't stopped walking. I might have to shed a layer too. I'm sweating up a storm. Which is where synthetics come in handy, because you know, they dry fast. Especially when it's cold out here like this. Wow. Yeah, I need to get a hike out more. I'll show you the trail I'm on though. Really nice. Sort of a paved, grassy post or trail. Very nice. Very soft in the old boots. I think that's the entrance, so achievement earned. Well, I got there at least. But walking down will be a piece of cake. Just gotta get out there and do it, man. Just gotta get out there and hike the hike. There's a person here. Stopped for a water break. Had to wet my whistle. I made it a quick stop because I didn't want to stay too long. I want to get back to the other trailhead and have lunch. And that'll give me a chance to cool down. And I'll jump in the truck and head home. And edit a video because I didn't upload one today. So, didn't get around to finishing another video project I was working on, so I had nothing to upload. I'm not just going to upload scraps, so it wouldn't make any sense. And you guys deserve better than that. So. Well, just hit the halfway point. So, here we go. So now it's 0.8 to the car. Well, 0.8 back to the trailhead. So. Only 0.1 left. So that's what, 2¼ miles? Just over 2¼ miles. I gotta tell you, I'm gonna be very honest. My back's kind of sore. My thighs are sore. Slowing down, feet are getting heavy. Which sucks because when you're walking along and I end up dragging my feet a little bit, you know, I've been tripping over roots, which is not good. Yeah, I definitely need to get out more. It's alright though, you gotta start somewhere. So I think the whole trail is 1.19 there and 1.19 back. So I'm just gonna say 2¼ maybe 2¼ and change. I see my truck. Where lunch awaits me. Actually, I'm carrying lunch. I could stopped anywhere in mid-lunch, but I didn't want to stop on the trail on the way back, so I'm gonna do the hike and then do lunch out after, which I'll probably do a separate video on lunch. So, and then I gotta head home and do stuff. So. Good times. Highly encourage, if you don't hike, you should give it a try. It's a good way to get out and get your sweat on. And it's free. I mean, all I had to do was just drive to the trailhead. I mean, did I need all the gear? No. You really don't need a bunch of fancy gear to hike. I did notice, so I'm not in cell range, which I thought was kind of interesting. But there are a lot of people here, and there's people camping, so if they, as long as I could get to a campsite, I could ask for help, so no, I wasn't worried. I'm hungry though. I get up at 5:30 this morning, and that's when I had a bowl of oatmeal. So let me get my grub on. And achievement earned. Well, as always, thanks for watching. Appreciate your comments, appreciate your view. I want to share my video with people if you think, hey, this guy hikes too. There's 4 cars here. One or two. Hey, one down at the picnic area. I don't see anybody. Cool. Alright, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.